Have you ever wondered if you could jump into the future or revisit the past? A tantalizing question, isn't it? Time travel and relativity, two concepts that might sound complex and far-fetched at first, but let's break them down. Imagine time travel like fast-forwarding or rewinding a movie. You're sitting on your couch, remote in hand, and with a simple click, you're either racing towards the ending credits or rewinding back to the opening scene. That's time travel, in essence. Now let's talk about relativity. Picture yourself standing in an art gallery, observing a masterpiece from different angles. Each perspective offers a unique view, a different understanding of the same piece. That's relativity. It's all about how things change depending on your viewpoint. So, time travel isn't just a concept from sci-fi movies, and relativity isn't just a fancy physics term. They're fascinating aspects of our universe waiting to be explored. Now let's take a moment to ponder this. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, something quite peculiar would happen. Time would start to behave differently for you aboard the spaceship compared to someone stationary on Earth. But how can this be? Well, let's use a simple analogy to break this down. Imagine you're in a car. If you're stationary, everything outside the car appears to be still, right? But once you start moving, things change. The trees, the houses, the people, they all seem to rush by in a blur. The faster you go, the quicker they seem to pass. Now let's take this concept and apply it to time. According to relativity, time can stretch and squeeze depending on how fast you're moving. This is known as time dilation. So, if you were zipping through the cosmos at the speed of light, time would appear to slow down for you. It's like you've hit the cosmic slow motion button. But for someone on Earth, time would be ticking along as normal. To put it in perspective, if you spent a year traveling at the speed of light, when you returned to Earth, you'd find that more than a year had passed. You'd have aged only a year, while your friends and family would have aged more. In essence, you'd have leaped into the future without even realizing it. This isn't just a wild theory. It's been tested and proven with precise atomic clocks on fast-moving jets and satellites. The clocks moving quickly in space tick slower than those on Earth. Now, does this mean we can zip to the past or future at will like in the movies? Not quite, but it does mean that time is not as rigid and unchanging as we once thought. So in a way, you're time traveling when you're moving really fast. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, what if I told you that time and space are not separate, but interconnected? Picture this. You're on a trampoline and you place a heavy ball in the center. What happens? The ball creates a dent, a depression. Now think of this trampoline as space-time, a four-dimensional fabric that makes up our universe. The heavy ball, that's a massive object like a planet or a star. Just as the ball distorts the trampoline, massive objects distort space-time, creating what we know as gravity. This is a visualization of Einstein's theory of general relativity. It's a theory that fundamentally changed how we understand the universe. Objects from planets to light itself follow the curves in this space-time fabric, creating the cosmic dance of celestial bodies we observe. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Relativity shows us that time and space are flexible, not fixed. They're like a cosmic dance, influencing each other. So, what does all this mean for us and our future? Well, the possibilities are truly as vast as the universe itself. With the concepts of time travel and relativity, the future of space exploration and technology is looking brighter than a supernova. Imagine a world where understanding these concepts paves the way for advancements like interstellar travel. One day, we might be able to hop between star systems as easily as we commute to work. Or consider the potential of time machines, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, but now a tantalizing possibility on the horizon of scientific progress. It's an exciting time to be alive, as we stand on the cusp of these monumental breakthroughs. While we might not be hopping into time machines or flying at light speed just yet, who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day, time travel and relativity won't just be theories, but a part of our everyday reality. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Craving more? Hit subscribe and journey with us through the realm of learning. Remember, every thumbs up and every subscription fuels our passion to deliver more. Become part of our learning community today.